So hey everybody, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can make images move in CapCut. So by moving, I'm thinking zooming out, zooming in, or just from going to right to left or left to right. If you, for example, have these girls right here and you would like it to zoom into their faces, what you're gonna do is just go to the beginning where you would like the zoom to start and just click on the video and go to video, basic, and what you're gonna do is go to transform and just click on this first keyframe, and then you're gonna fix this position and you go where you would like the zoom to end. Okay, so you add the keyframe again and you just choose a position you would like to be in, like that, zooming into their faces, and as you can see now it slowly zooms in. If you would like the zoom in effect to be slower, then you're gonna add the keyframe later, and if you would like it to be faster, you're gonna add it sooner. So as you can see, now it's a bit slower. If you would like to change the position, you can change the position with either these X and Y, or you can also just drag the video like that. And for example, now I changed the position of the first keyframe. What if we would like it to zoom in and then stay like that for a while and just zoom out? So what we need to do then is just go somewhere where we would like the zoom out to start and just add keyframe which is the same, and just copy this last keyframe and just add it where we would like the second zoom out to start and just paste it, and now it's gonna stay the same. And here where you would like to zoom out to end, you add the keyframe and just change the position where you would like it to be. Okay, so now it's gonna look like that. It stays there for a while. Yeah, if you don't have this second keyframe and you just zoom out, it's gonna instantly start to zoom out. I'm gonna show you, as you can see. Alright, so all in all, this is how to make images move in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.